Okay, this video is 4.7b, which is the second part of the law of sines and cosines. But we're just going to do the areas of oblique triangles. An oblique triangle, y'all, is just a triangle that's any triangle that is not a right triangle. So it could be acute or it could be obtuse, but it's not a right triangle. Okay, the first one we have is one called Heron's formula. And Heron's formula you use when you know all three sides of the triangle. Okay, and the first thing you're going to do when you know all three sides is find S, which is the semi-perimeter. So if you know that it stands for semi-perimeter, then you can remember that it's adding up the sides and dividing by 2 because it's just half of the perimeter. And the formula says that you're going to take the square root of S times, and then you're going to take each side and subtract it from S and multiply it. So I have S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Okay. The other formula that we have is the area of a triangle given a side and the two sides and the angle in between it. So it is written in 3 different ways just to help you understand. So I'm going to show you what they are real quick and point out what you really need to remember. A is equal to 1/2 AB times the sine of C, or it's equal to 1/2 AC times the sine of B, or 1/2 BC times the sine of A. Okay, the letters don't matter so much. What really matters is that if you notice every one of these, I have 3 different letters. So if I have big C, I have little a and b, and big C is in between little a and b, as you can see over here on the triangle. So you'll have those formulas available to you. Just make sure you know how to use them. So this first one, I have x equals 29 inches, y equals 25 inches, and z equals 27 inches. Okay, find the area of the triangle. The first thing I'm going to do is go find the semi-perimeter, which means I'm going to add up all the sides and divide by 2. So those are my sides, divide by 2, and I'm going to get 40.5. And so then I'm going to go use my formula and plug in. So I just wrote it down again because we have it here. So A is equal to the square root of my semi-perimeter was 40.5. And then I'm going to have 40.5 minus each side length. You get to put it in your calculator just like that. Okay. Rounded to the nearest tenth gives us 312.2 square inches. That's all it is. And then lastly, find the area of each triangle to the nearest tenth. So this one, I don't have 3 sides, so I have to use my other one, which was basically a lot of people think of it as 1/2 AB times the sine of C. But whatever my angle is, if it's angle L, then I'm going to say area is 1/2 JK times the sine of L. So I have J is 11. K is 24, and my angle is 67. Again, put it in there in one fell swoop. You get 121.5066, which rounded to the nearest tenth is 121.5 square yards. That's all that is to area of oblique triangles. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.